Hello friends, myself RAKTIM MAITRA and I am back again with another video of unboxing. This is just a simple unboxing that my friend has brought. This is an earphone from the house of Philips. Okay, so let's unbox it. This cost around 340 to 350. You will get it by Paytm, and yes, Paytm is also giving cashback of 200 rupees, so it cost me around 140 rupees. I felt it is good and I was running out of cash and I needed a earphone urgently, so I bought this one. Okay, this seems to be a good quality as compared to the price range. Okay, it has got a mic and it has got a multifunction button also. Okay, it seems to be good, and wow, the earbuds are also good. I think it will feel comfy to my ears. Great thing, and it has got a extra pair of earbuds also. Okay, there are two pairs, so to fit my ears. Great thing. Great thing in the price. This has got some few paperworks, the manual. Okay, a few paperworks, warranty card, and all that, and the function that the multifunction button can do. Okay, great thing. I feel it's good. Okay, that's all for today's video. Have fun, enjoy, and wait for the next video.